This is JR, the TechSpat OTG. Ray and I found out about a brew pub that was in our area, actually very close to our house. Boy, that was a surprise, and so we're off to find it. It's in San Marcelino.
Just to let me down.
Of course, we got to San Marcelino okay because we're real familiar with that area. We didn't know exactly where this brew pub was. Even though we saw it on the map, it didn't really show us where it is. So we stopped and asked for directions. Well, we found the brew pub, and it's actually off the road a little bit, but you can see it from the highway. There wasn't really a sign or anything. We actually stopped and asked the girl that was walking where it was, and she pointed it out. If we hadn't asked her, we would have been in another city. We would have gone right by it. The brewery's name is Pinatubo Brewery, and apparently it's been around a while, and I just don't know why we haven't found it before. We're both beer aficionados. Okay. Ray and I both love craft beer. So it's hard to believe that we didn't know about this place. There really wasn't anyone around to ask the day they went, but the waitress said that some German guys own the place, and that the beer's German style.
Are you gonna sit?
Really kind of nice. Here's the... They give you a sampler with all their craft beers before you order. So you get to try everything and pick the one you like before you buy the big one. The beer prices were really good. Around $110 for a 500 milliliter mug, which I think is an exceptionally fair price for craft beer. There were about 6 different varieties. The one we liked best was actually the Weiss beer, wheat beer. And it was called Wheat Beer Sunset. And it's really good. We both enjoyed that. We tried the IPA, but it was just a little fruity for us. The seating area is upstairs. And boy, you couldn't ask for a better view. You've got mountains on both sides, and the place is open, so you can see all around. It's really nice. Such a nice view. We came in to drink beer, but we did order some snacks, Unfortunately, I was busy eating my snacks and didn't take any video of them. The only pictures of any snacks that we got were Rhea's Lumpia. They were really good, but they're not very photogenic. We definitely weren't food photographers on this discovery trip. Well, one thing they could have done here to make this place a little better is gotten a better view. Kind of disappointing. Those mountains are just beautiful. What a view. We enjoyed the place. We stayed around for a couple of hours and just sipping our beer and looking at the mountains. It's really nice. It wasn't crowded at all. There was not many people in there. I think maybe 6 total. I also like the fact that there was no blaring music. This is nice. Upstairs it's a little cooler and it was quiet. You get a breeze up here. That's a problem sometime in Asian restaurants and Asian beer places. The music's too loud. We're much closer to this brew pub than we are the one in Barrio Barreto. I like the furniture too. So occasionally we'll hit this one instead of making the drive to Barreto. Stayed until it got dark, and then we headed home. It's a quick drive home, nothing to it. The sunset was nice, and I've got to say, we had a nice time. This is JR, the Texpat, OTG, saying thanks for watching. And if you get a chance, try out that Pinatubo Brewery. It's pretty good.